Il-makramé hija arti versatili ħafna, hemm ħafna affarijiet li tista' tagħmel, skont il-preferenzi tal-persuna personali ħafna l-affarijiet. Bl-affarijiet li nagħmlu tista' turi xi tħobb u l-interessi tiegħek, I mean it's very.
Għalija pereżempju nkun qiegħda fil-għaxija nkun qiegħda bil-qiegħda hawnhekk, kulħadd mar jorqod ta' tzambit u makramé u I can spend hours on end. It's relaxing, therapeutic u vera nieħu pjaċir nirrelax in that way.
The pieces that come out of this, no two are the same. Ġifieri wall hanging anke jekk tagħmilha l-istess, tipprova tuża l-istess pattern li mhux dejjem possibbli, xorta ma jiġix l-istess għax jew tagħmel not żejda din naħa, jew tagħmel not hemmhekk, jew it's always gonna come out different. Anke l-basktijiet, jew iżid xi pattern mal-makramé with the whole piece. Jew tuża bamboo handle jew tagħmel handle tal-makramé stess. Ġifieri kollox jiġi differenti, every piece is unique. That's the beauty of the art, I imagine.
Għal-makramé għandna bżonn ċertu equipment. Ovvja l-iktar importanti dejjem imqas. Imqas tajjeb, jiġifieri good quality scissors biex taqta dritt ħafna xi kultant. Ikollna bżonn għall-oħra kien hemm xi ħaġa li kellha bżonn tkun dritta ħafna, jiġifieri good scissors. To brush out, di kienet ġdida xrajta, ma it's a dog brush. Pet brush insomma. Imma it brushes out il-kod tiġi brushjata ħellu, gives it a different type of finish.
Bażikament biex tibda wall hanging biex taqbad il-jon jew il-cotton mal-bamboo. Ċidem tagħmel locks head knot. So, dawara hekk, tiġbidha ftit, u hekk it-sekju ħalli tista' tibda tagħmel xogħolok. Importanti li tipprova tagħmilhom dejjem iħarsu l-istess direzzjoni, so jien għamilthom hekk, tista' tagħmilhom bil-kontra, imma hekk jiġu iktar puliti jekk ikunu l-istess.
Il-makramé beda in the Arab world, kienu jagħmlu tip ta' bizzilla u ħwejjeġ tagħhom used to show that they were wealthy people, ġifieri meta kienu jagħmlu dawn l-affarijiet. Mbagħad isu it ventured out anke sailors bdew jużaw il-cotton biex jagħmlu l-hammocks fuq il-boats u knots. Makramé is all about knots basically. They used to make things għal-passatempo ukoll, you know, għax they'd be out at sea many hours u kienu jgħaddu żmien naqra jagħmlu dawn l-affarijiet. Mbagħad in the times of the 70s, it became very fashionable to have macrame bags jewelry and accessories. Plant hangers, anke għad-dar, kienu jużaw ħafna l-makramé. Umbat, kind of died out for quite a long time. Recently, it became in fashion again, tipo. People started doing wall hangings and decorating their homes in a shabby chic way. It's a boho style, you know. If you have something very ultra modern, it might give it that warmer look. You know, if you have an older house, it will give it that shabby chic look. Dawn huma l-5 mm, dawn il-4, u mbagħad għandek il-3 mm, they're all different thicknesses, u it-2 ukoll. Daw jużawhom ħafna għal affarijiet żgħar, you know, keychains u affarijiet hekk. Ikollna l-beads, various types of beads, skont il-kuluri tal-cotton li qed tuża. Għal ċertu affarijiet konna qed nużaw cinnamon sticks. Tiny mini wall hangings. Mbagħad ikun hemm il-wires li you shape things as you wish and please. Da waram tagħmel hearts, tista' tagħmel li trid. With this in the middle. Tipi differenti tal-knots. The most common hija il-square knot li dejjem għandek bżonn 4 strings u tiġbetek u mbagħad tagħmilha bil-kontra. And you can make various different styles and patterns with this knot. Tista' tagħmel row sħiħa jew tista' tiqpa' nieżla l-isfel.
Bl-square knot tista' wkoll adaptation li tiġi bħal di, imma tagħmel l-istess bħal square knot, imma fuq naħa waħda biss. Tiġi jisa bit-twisted effect. Dejjem tagħmilha fuq naħa waħda. U mbagħad tiġi bħal di. Hawnhekk għandna l-wall hanging li għamilna l-Halloween bil-ghosts tat-tfal. Ma tantx hemm ħafna knots għall-makramé, imma knot waħda tista' tagħmilha in several different ways ħalli toħloq effett differenti.
Daw, per eżempju, it's one of my favorites, it's 9 mm u inħadem vera sabiħ. You can do chunky look of things.
A bit more rugged.
Ma tanna da, it's like t-shirt material. Il-xogħol ma jiġix daqshekk neat. It comes very shabby. You know, but some people like the style. I mean, I love the style like that. But these are to the various colors, down to decorate with them. Daw, suppost tal-crochet, you crochet with them, but I use them like finishes, biex nagħmel il-finishes bihom. Beautiful colors, you know, autumn colors. Gone to a season, you know, the season.
Spring, for example. A nice spring palette. Fis-sajf, jien personalment, per eżempju, nħobb ħafna navy blue u white, għax fis-sajf naħseb hekk, it's a nice color. Nuża ħafna l-oranges u ukoll, kellna teal, which was quite a nice color. You can make patterns with all the colors, not only using one color in a bag. We use different colors together, so white and orange, blue and orange.
Il-makramé jista' jintuża għal Christmas decorations u wall hangings tal-festive season. It doesn't have to be just for Christmas, imma tkun naqra iktar festive, naqra bil-gold u hekk, it will be nice to use at Christmas. Għall-Easter nimmaġina nagħmel xi affarijiet for the egg hunt, you know, anke the baskets tal-egg hunt tat-tfal. Anka, ġili nieħu pjaċir nagħmel il-wraps tal-bouquet, tal-fjuri, tal-tiġijiet u backdrops, things that will look nice in photos that you can remember for your wedding, you know, for years to come.
Per eżempju tal-Halloween, għamilna wall hanging bl-orange, burnt orange, it's a warmer color as well. Ħafna white, ħafna black.
Il-mascot tagħna always around u dejjem involved in anything that we have.
Anke fir-ritratti dejjem u jidher iktar minni.
Inti għad kważi. I don't follow patterns. I get inspired by photos. I don't copy anything because for me I prefer something original. Imma nara ritratti u ngħid illallu this would look good on this. Imma mhux nikopja, I don't know how to follow a pattern. Kollox minn moħħi as I go along. Mhux ħaġa li ipprovajt npinġi wall hanging u nagħmilha eżatt kif pinġejta, imma dejjem joqlajt minn hawn joqlajt minn hemm, jiġifieri it's something that comes to you. I can't plan it. Maybe a bag, yes. You know, you say you want a market bag, a shopping bag. Imma pala wall hangings, jew id-decorations, jew il-household goods. Just as it comes. Even when someone tells me, per eżempju, għamilli waħda pal di, il-ħabiba tiegħi jekk għamlet, għattila ma nistax, mhux ħanagħmel eżatt bħal dik għax mhux tiegħi, you know. Nippreferi nagħmel xi ħaġa minn my own imagination. Lockdown, very bored, ġifiri ma kellniex nagħmlu. Kulħadd imsakkar ġewwa.
Imsakkar ġewwa kulħadd ġifiri.
U bdejt bil-crochet, għax I've been crocheting for many years, meta kont żgħira għandi affarijiet ta' meta kont żgħira wkoll. U bdejt nikkrocheja il-ħwejjeġ kelb. which was a bit of a flop, għax ħwejjeġ I'm not good at crocheting or making dogs clothes. Imma fem, libsu, is-sena l-oħra libsu l-ħwejjeġ biex xitwa. Mbagħad pers li Keana kienet tbiddel il-kamra, għamiltila wall hanging, ridet xi ħaġa xabi chic, tipo hekk, just something.
L-istil ħafna boho, nħobb ħafna dawn l-affarijiet, ġifieri qedtilha hija ħadd tagħmel xi ħaġa l-kamra. L-ewwel wall hanging li qatt għamlet, ġifieri dik il-favorita tiegħi. It's our foundation.
Badna a small stick from outside u bdejt nagħmel crochet u bdejt nħawat.
Nivvinta.
Nivvinta ta' dak il-ħin. I managed. U ġiet, I don't know exactly, it just happened.
Allura qed il-mami nibdew xi ħaġa hekk bejnietna u morna nixtru xi affarijiet biex nibdew nikkreaw l-affarijiet tagħna.
Beads u affarijiet.
Domestic hunt.
Domestic hunt. U bdejna nagħmlu l-affarijiet, bdejt il-wall hanging, u bdejt nagħmel naqra basktijiet.
U minn hemmhekk bdiet il-ħaġa.
Għat jiena nibda nagħmel the creative side u Keana tipo.
Bdejt nagħmel pereżempju pages fuq social media u hekk biex nurru n-nies tipo creations tagħna, I mean it's something we're very proud of it. I mean, my mother is a very creative person, minn dejjem kienet, ġifieri it was something that we were very proud of.
Anke. Hemm ukoll what they call double half hitch knot li iddur tista' tagħmel different tip ta' finishes bih. Tagħmel naħa u mbagħad tagħmel l-oħra. It's a different design where you need daw it-tnej biss, pereżempju, mbagħad tarġa' tagħlaq u trid tagħmlu darbtejn dab.
Anke when something goes wrong, Alina, it's the funniest moment because
we just laugh it off.
Just laugh it off. It's no point in getting like noqogħdu nirrabjaw or whatever. Asfa le, mhux niġġieldu, imma jkollna hekk ġranet fej we're both in bad moods, per eżempju.
Affarijiet normali.
We clash, imma mhux ġlied li tajbu.
No.
We really don't.
I follow her up tipo biex tagħmilli xi post ġdid għax inħobb nżomm il-paġna going.
I try to hurry her up with the whole thing.
No, ma mux, anka naqblu ma ħafna affarijiet, tipo kunet nagħmel xi ħaġa ngħidilha Keana x'taħseb għal di, ġifieri.
Aħna l-istil tagħna.
Tajjeb, proset.
Aħna l-istil tagħna very similar. So l-affarijiet li naħsbu, pereżempju, dejjem kważi l-istess. So we balance off, għandna balance tajba ħafna bejnietna għax jien nagħmel ħafna affarijiet ta' social media u affarijiet hekk u the creative mind behind it all, so.
Id-differenza bejn crochet li bil-Malti naħseb jgħidulu taħdem il-ganċ. Hija li tuża ganċ, hemm different sizes skont il-ħajt li qed tuża. Ovvjament dan irqiq ħafna, ġifieri trid tuża naħseb anke irqaq minn di. Jekk ħad tagħmel tipo dojli jew xi ħaġa żgħira tuża l-ganċ iż-żgħir. Mbagħad hemm ukoll tista' tuża li trid anke l-ħajt normali tal-Makramé tista' tuża għall-ganċ. Jiena nużah l-iktar biex niġbed il-ħajt minn hawn tipo biex to end it, to finish something off. I incorporate the crochet. Mbagħad tista' tagħmel il-crochet b'da, per eżempju. There's a very thick crochet needle, and today you can also hand crochet and hand knit. There are really thick yarns. Jiġifieri tista' tagħmlu bidejk flok bil-ganċ u xorta jiġi su crochet. Meta tkompli taħdem, xorta jiġi su crochet, the crochet knot. You can do it with your by hand when it's something chunky. Jagħmlu l-poofs tal-living room, cushions jagħmlu. Blankets, yes. These things are all done bil-ganċ. Mbagħad il-Makramé ovvjament m'hemm bżonn tools jew equipment as such. Idejk basically trid tagħmel l-għoqod. Per eżempju di l-square knot, it ends up square u tista' tkompli lem jew l-isfel. Il-ganċ jew id-dur da crochet per eżempju. U da kollu Makramé. It's fun to do both. Sometimes anka you incorporate them together. Tista' wkoll. Ġifieri fil-fatt this knot at the end meta żidt daw jiena, this is the lock's head knot kif konna għamilna dik. Ġifieri dik tal-Makramé, il-lock's head knot, kont żidt daw mal-xogħol. But the rest is all crochet. Il-wall hangings, tfarfarhom, you know, I mean, it's a matter of, you have to be a bit gentle. Imma tfarfarhom on a regular basis, they're not going to get dirty. I mean, xi ħaġa fuq il-ħajt mhux ħajtħammeġ daqshekk malajr pal-handbag. L-iktar il-handbags u pouches, dawk tista' taħsilhom gently. Use water and you dab it if there's a stain. I don't put it in the washing machine. It's usually hand wash, submerge it in the water, and always dry them flat in the sun, you know, and you have to give it a chance to dry because it's quite thick. Di, basically, qed nagħmel centerpiece, probably aħjar għal-mejda tonda, għax ħatkun tispiċċa tonda. Użajt mainly il-double half hitch knots, użajt ftit square knots fin-nofs hawnhekk just to combine them. U ħanispiċċa, xorta ħatispiċċa bil-frenza li ħanagħmel nuża l-brush biha mbagħad wara. It's just it could be used for festive seasons, for all year round really, ħabba l-kulur neutral u tista' tħalliha fuq il-mejda jew toħroġha anka for parties only, tipo dinner parties. Nagħmel il-placemats ukoll tal-platti, ta' taħt il-platti u l-coasters jiġu pariċ.
Il-moda dejjem skont il-persuna jew iż-żmien. Ħafna nies jħobbu l-affarijiet tagħhom, pereżempju l-wall hangings, jħobbuhom loose jew jħobbuhom iktar tight in-knots. Meta jkunu tight iktar jkollhom apparenza neat. Imma dejjem skont il-persuna u skont il-preferenzi tagħhom. Bħala kuluri u hekk ħafna nies jħobbu il-kuluri naturali, per eżempju beige, white, cream, per eżempju. Ħafna nies jħobbu, per eżempju, kuluri iktar warm. They give more of a warm feel to the home. Għanna ħafna beiges, creams, naturali. Aħna nużaw ħafna organic, I mean, we prefer the organic feel to a house, biex chic look. So that's the sort of color palette that we go for. Aħna nipprovaw ninkorporaw ħafna affarijiet naturali. Per eżempju, l-wall hangings dejjem nużaw sticks li nsibu barra. Aħna ngħixu, ħdej il-baħar u għandna ħafna siġar u hekk, u nsibu ħafna minn dawn l-affarijiet organic, naturali, obviously we treat them and make sure that they're safe to be used. Nużaw il-bamboo, nużaw il-sticks. Anke il-materjali li nużaw aħna, il-cotton u hekk organic, ġifieri kollox naturali. We use a lot of handles, for example, for bags and things like that. There are quite a few different ones. These are bamboo. We try to stick to as many natural materials as we can, so basically wood. Aħna l-affarijiet kollha li nużaw kollox recycled. We're very environmentally friendly and environmentally conscious, which is very important nowadays because it's basically the world we're living in, trying to be a bit more conscious about what we're doing.
Għandek bżonn ħafna paċenzja għall-makramé u jekk tkun naqra nervuża dik il-ġurnata aħjar ma tagħmel xejn għax ma tiġix tajba, you know, jiġifieri ġieli I spent a day doing nothing għax you won't feel it that day. You have to be a calm person. Naqra iktar kalma u
naqra nervuża.
She's managed. Even showing the children, you know.
Simple things, like very fast and simple things, no problem. But when it comes to these huge wall hangings that she comes up with, there's no chance that I can do something like that. That's why I'm more of the organized one.
Tista.
Yes.
Imma għandek bżonn il-paċenzja. Makramé, you can incorporate it ukoll ma kif għadna qabel mal-crochet u l-weaving. Għamilna naqra weaving hawnhekk anke bħala texture. Tista' tbiddel it-texture u tagħmlu iktar
It adds a bit of depth to the work.
To the work. Anke jsu jiġi naqra 3D, you know, 3D. But it gives it another look.
Fil-makramé tista' tinkorpora ħafna stili differenti, ġifieri jien għalija l-weaving xi ħaġa hekk antika, it reminds me of something old. So bringing something a bit more classic to a piece like this, I think, and hanging it in a home, I think hekk ħaġa iktar tradizzjonali naħseb. Bħala arti versatili ħafna naħseb il-makramé għax the possibilities are endless. L-affarijiet li tista' tagħmel, ornaments, basktijiet, wall hangings, plant hangers, hemm diversi affarijiet li tista' tagħmel u kollox jiġi differenti. Ġifieri ma tistax tgħid li għamilt wall hanging u issa daqshekk mhux ħanerġa' nagħmel wall hanging għax il-wall hanging li ħaterġa' tagħmel ħad tiġi differenti. I mean, l-affarijiet li tista' tivvinta, possibilities are endless. Alla volja li, makramé arti u trid toħodha, seriously at the end of the day, imma naħseb it brought us much closer together bil-pjanijiet li nagħmlu u bil-opinjonijiet li nagħtu. it brought us much closer together. Diġà konna close aħna, x'dejjem konna close.
It's brought us very close.
We have fun with it.
We have fun and it matured. I think you matured a bit more as well. She's become like a planner, you know. It's something that you have to plan everything because you have things to do that you want to finish off, you know.
Manka bil-komunikazzjoni, per esempio, I think it helped us a lot with communication.
Yes.
Jien nisma' lila, tisma' lili, ġifieri.
We give each other a chance.
Eżatt.
U l-Makramé, I mean, it's I try and teach her as well. And maybe one day we'll be doing it together, full blast, as an art as well. It's fun. It's fun, mommy.
Mommy and daughter.